ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। God is one and He is realized by the grace of true Guru.
ਸ੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਜਾਪ।
God is always victorious. Utter with true devotion.
ਸ੍ਰੀ ਮੁਖ ਵਾਕ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹੀ ਦਸਵੀਂ।
Words uttered by the 10th Guru.
ਛਪੈ ਛੰਦ ਤਵੈ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ।
Chape Chand, by your grace.
ਚੱਕਰ ਚਿਹਨ ਅਰ ਬਰਨ ਜਾਤ ਅਰ ਪਾਤ ਨਹਿਨ ਜੇ।
God is such a being who is without any mark, class, caste or lineage.
ਰੂਪ ਰੰਗ ਅਰ ਰੇਖ ਭੇਖ ਕੋ ਕਹਿ ਨਾ ਸਕਤ ਕਹਿ।
No one can describe his form, color, attire, and outline.
ਅਚਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਨਭਉ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਸ਼ ਅਮਿਤ ਤੋਜ ਕਹਿਜੈ।
He is unchanging, self-illuminated, and with immense power.
ਕੋਟ ਇੰਦਰ ਇੰਦਰਾਣ ਸਾਹ ਸਾਹਾਣ ਗਣਿਜੈ।
He is king of millions of Indras, and you are the king of kings.
ਤ੍ਰਿਭਵਨ ਮਿਹੀ ਸੁਰ ਨਰ ਅਸੁਰ ਨੇਤ ਨੇਤ ਮਨ ਤਿਣ ਕਹਿਤ।
He is the God of 3 worlds, demigods, men and demons, even woods and vegetative creation announces that no one is equal to God.
ਤਵੈ ਸਰਬਨਾਮ ਕਥੈ ਕਵਨ ਕਰਮ ਨਾਮ ਵਰਣਤ ਸੁਮਤ।
No one can describe all the names of God. The wise men sing the names according to His attributes, excellences, and works.
ਭੁਜੰਗ ਪ੍ਰਿਆ ਛੰਦ।
Pujang Priyat Chand.
ਨਮਸਤਵੰ ਅਕਾਲੇ ਨਮਸਤਵੰ ਕਿਰਪਾਲੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਰੂਪੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨੂਪੇ।
I salute God, who is timeless, compassionate, formless, and incomparable.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪੇਖੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਲੇਖੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਕਾਏ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਜਾਏ।
I salute God, who is beyond attire and beyond description. I salute God, who has no body, and to the one who is unborn.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਗੰਜੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪੰਜੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨਾਮੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਠਾਮੇ।
I salute God, who can not be defeated or destroyed. I salute God, who has no name and who is not tied to any one location.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਕਰਮੰ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਧਰਮੰ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨਾਮੰ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਤਾਮੰ।
I salute God, who is not bound to any deed and who is beyond any creeds. I salute God, who has no particular name or any particular home to abide.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਜੀਤੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪੀਤੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਬਾਹੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਟਾਹੇ।
I salute God, who cannot be defeated and who is afraid of none. I salute God, who is unshakable and cannot be destroyed.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨੀਲੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨਾਦੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਛੇਦੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਗਾਦੇ।
I salute God, who has no color and who has no beginning. I salute God, who is in full form everywhere and who is eternal.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਗੰਜੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪੰਜੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਉਦਾਰੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਪਾਰੇ।
I salute God, who cannot be defeated and destroyed. I salute God, who is generous and boundless.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਸੋ ਏਕੈ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਨੇਕੈ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਭੂਤੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਅਜੂਪੇ।
I salute God, who is one, and to Him who manifests in countless forms. I salute God, who is not made of 5 elements and who is without any restraint.
ਨਮਸਤੰ ਨਿਰਕਰਮੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਨਿਰਪਰਮੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਨਿਰਦੇਸੇ ਨਮਸਤੰ ਨਿਰਪੇਸੇ।
I salute God, who is above ritual, ceremonies, and to one who is beyond all delusions. I salute God, who does not belong to any country and who is beyond any attire.
नमस्तं निर्नामे नमस्तं निर्कामे नमस्तं निर्धाते नमस्तं निर्घाते।
I salute God, who have no particular name and who is without desires. I salute God, who is not made of elements and who is beyond assault.
नमस्तं निर्धूते नमस्तं अपूते नमस्तं अलोके नमस्तं अशोके.
I salute God, who is unchangeable and who is beyond physical elements. I salute God, who is invisible, and to the one who is above grief.
नमस्तं निर्तापे नमस्तं अथापे नमस्तं त्रिमाने नमस्तं निधाने.
I salute God, who is without troubles and cannot be installed. I salute God, who has great honor in all three worlds and who is a great treasurer.
नमस्तं अगाहे नमस्तं अबाहे नमस्तं त्रिवर्गे नमस्तं असर्गे.
I salute God, who is eternal and immutable. I salute God, who is source of three virtues, truth, consciousness, and bliss, and who is uncreatable.
नमस्तं प्रभोगे नमस्तं सजोगे नमस्तं अरंगे नमस्तं अपंगे.
I salute God, who enjoys all the creation and who is present everywhere. I salute God, who has no color and who is indestructible.
नमस्तं अगम्ये नमस्तस्तरम्ये नमस्तं जलाश्रये नमस्तं निराश्रये.
I salute God, who is beyond all knowledge and who is very beautiful. I salute God, who permeates all oceans and who is supportless.
नमस्तं अजाते नमस्तं अपाते नमस्तं अमजबे नमस्तस्त अजबे.
I salute God, who is casteless and is beyond dynasty. I salute God, who is beyond any religion and who is beautiful.
आदेशं आदेशे नमस्तं अपेशे नमस्तं निर्धामे नमस्तं निर्वामे.
I salute God, who does not belong to any country and who is formless. I salute God, who has no home and who is beyond spouse.
नमो सर्व काले नमो सर्व दयाले नमो सर्व रूपे नमो सर्व पूपे.
O God, we salute to the one who is destroyer of all and preserver of all. We salute to the one who is present in all forms and who is king of all.
नमो सर्व खापे नमो सर्व थापे नमो सर्व काले नमो सर्व पाले.
O God, we salute to the one who merges all in him and creator of all. We salute to the destroyer of all and sustainer of all.
नमस्तस्त देवै नमस्तं अपेवै नमस्तं अजन्मे नमस्तं सोबानमे.
I salute God, who is divine being and whose secrets cannot be known. I salute God, who is unborn and very beautiful.
नमो सर्व गौने नमो सर्व पौने नमो सर्व रंगे नमो सर्व पंगे.
I salute God, who travels everywhere and who pervades the world. We salute to the creator of all colors and to the destroyer of all.
नमो काल काले नमस्तस्त दयाले नमस्तं अबरने नमस्तं अमरने.
We salute to the destroyer of death and to the treasurer of mercy. I salute to the God who is beyond caste and color and who never dies.
नमस्तं जरारं नमस्तं कीर्तारं नमो सर्वतंदे नमोस्त अबंधे.
I salute God, who is unaffected by ages and who is creator of all. I salute God, who is the cause of all works, and to the true one who is unbound.
नमस्तं निर्साके नमस्तं निर्बाके नमस्तं रहीमे नमस्तं करीमे.
I salute God, who is beyond relations and who is fearless. I salute God, who is merciful and kind.
नमस्तं अनंते नमस्तं महंते नमस्तस्तरागे नमस्तं सुहागे.
I salute God, who is endless and greatest of all. I salute God, who is lovable and is highest of all.
नमो सर्व सोखं नमो सर्व पोखं नमो सर्व कर्ता नमो सर्व हर्ता.
I salute God, who dries all and who fills all. I salute God, who creates and destroys all.
नमो जोग जोगे नमो भोग भोगे नमो सर्व दयाले नमो सर्व पाले.
I salute God, who is supreme union and supreme enjoyer. I salute God, who is merciful to all and sustainer to all.
चाचरी छंद त्वै प्रसाद.
Chachi Chand, by your grace.
अरूप हैं अनूप हैं अजू हैं अपू हैं.
God is formless, unique, unborn, and birthless.
अलेख हैं अपेख हैं अनाम हैं अकाम हैं.
God is beyond description, attire, name, and desire.
अतेय हैं अभेय हैं अजीत हैं अपीत हैं.
God is self-supported, beyond mysterious, unconquerable, and fearless.
तिरमान हैं निधान हैं त्रिवर्ग हैं असर्ग हैं.
God is honored in all three worlds. He is treasure of everything. He is source of three virtues, dharam, spiritual discipline, earth, material wealth, and calm, liberation from bondage, and was never born.
अनील हैं अनाद हैं अजेय हैं आजाद हैं.
God is beyond color, form, and origin. He is conquerable and free.
अजन्म हैं अवर्ण हैं अपूत हैं अपर्ण हैं.
God was never born. He has no color and caste. He is above the elements and is independent.
अगंज हैं अपंज हैं अछूज हैं अझंज हैं.
God is invincible, indestructible, unchangeable, and unshakable.
अमीक हैं रफीक हैं अतंद हैं अबंध हैं.
He is eternal, friend of all, free from all entanglements, and free from bondages.
निर्भुज हैं असूझ हैं अकाल हैं अजाल हैं.
He is beyond knowledge, beyond human comprehension, immortal, and free from all bondages.
अल्लाह हैं अजाह हैं अनंत हैं महंत हैं.
God cannot be found, beyond place, limitless, boundless, and He is greatest of all.
अलीक हैं निरसरीक हैं निर्लंब हैं असंभ हैं.
He is infinite. He has no rival, beyond support, beyond human understanding.
अगम हैं अजम हैं अपूत हैं अछूत हैं.
He is beyond reach, unborn, above the elements, and untouchable.
आलोक हैं अशोक हैं अकर्म हैं अपरम हैं.
He is beyond sight and sorrow. He is beyond rituals and illusions.
अजीत हैं अपीत हैं अबाह हैं अगाह हैं.
He is unconquerable, fearless, immutable, and unfathomable.
अमान हैं निधान हैं अनेक हैं फिर एक हैं.
He cannot be measured. He is all treasures and has got countless forms and yet one.
भुजंग प्रियात छंद नमो सर्व माने समस्ति निदाने. नमो देव देवे अपेखी अपेवे.
Bhujang Priyat Chand. We salute to God, who is honored by and who is treasure of everything. We salute to God, who is God of all gods and is beyond attire and mysterious.
नमो काल काले नमो सर्व पाले. नमो सर्व गौणे नमो सर्व पहुणे.
We salute to God, who is the destroyer of death and who is preserver of all. We salute to God, who has access to all and is present everywhere.
अनंगी अनाते नरसंगी परमाथे. नमो पान पाने नमो मान माने.
You are without a body and without a master. None is equal to you. You are the destroyer of all. We salute to you, who is son of sons and who is respected by all.
नमो चंद्र चंद्रे नमो पान पाने. नमो गीत गीते नमो तान ताने.
We salute to the God, who is the light of all the moons and suns. We salute to God, who is the creator of songs and melodies.
नमो निर्त निर्ते नमो नाद नादे. नमो पान पाने नमो बाद बादे.
We salute to God, who is the supreme dancer and is creator of sweetest musical divine sound. We salute God, who is the greatest drummer and is greatest drama player of the world.
अनंगी अनामे समस्ति स्वरूपे परपंगी परमाते समस्ति विभूते.
God has no form and name, but His beauty is present everywhere. You are the destroyer of all and have spiritual powers.
कलंकं बिनाने कलंकी स्वरूपे नमो राज राजेश्वरं परम रूपे.
God is without any blemish and is pure and beautiful. We salute God, who is King of all kings and the greatest of all.
नमो जोग जोगेश्वरं परम सिद्धे नमो राज राजेश्वरं परम वृद्धे.
We salute God, who is Saint of all the yogis and supremely perfect. We salute to God, who is King of kings and supreme commander.
नमो शस्त्र पाणे नमो अस्त्र माणे नमो परम ज्ञाता नमो लोक माता.
We salute God, who wields weapons and missiles. We salute to God, who is knowledgeable and who is the Mother Universal.
अपेक्षी अपरमी अपोगी अपुगते नमो जोग जोगेश्वरं परम जुगते.
God is free from attirement, free from doubts, and free from worldly temptations. We salute God, who is Yogi of yogis and who is supreme in His ways.
नमो नित्य नारायण क्रूर कर्मे नमो प्रेत अप्रेत देवे सुधर्मे.
We salute to God, who is protector of all and destroyer of evildoers. We salute to God of evil and holy spirits, the fountain of light and righteousness.
नमो रोग हर्ता नमो राग रूपे नमो साहसाहं नमो पूप पूपे.
We salute to God, who is destroyer of all diseases and is the real love. We salute to God, who is King of kings and ruler of all rulers.
नमो दान दाने नमो मान माने नमो रोग रोगे नमस्तं स्नानं.
We salute to God, who is the giver of gifts and is honored by the respectable. We salute to God, who is the destroyer of all diseases and is a source of purity and holiness.
नमो मंत्र मंत्रं नमो जंत्र जंत्रं नमो इष्ट इष्टे नमो तंत्र तंत्रं.
We salute to God, whose name is the greatest word, the symbol, and the master of magic charm. We salute to God, who is supremely worshipped, and to the supreme spell.
सदा सच्चिदानंद सर्वं परनासी अनूपे अरूपे समस्तुल निवासी.
God is real truth, peace, and pleasure, and destroyer of all. He is unique, formless, and is present everywhere.
सदा सिद्धदा बुद्धदा वृद्ध कर्ता अधो ऊर्ध अर्धं अघं ओग हर्ता.
God is the giver of spiritual power, wisdom, and intellectual power to all. You are present under and over the earth and in the nether regions. You are the destroyer of all evils.
परम परम परमेश्वरं प्रोच्छ पालं सदा सर्वदा सिद्ध दाता दयालं.
The Supreme Master sustains all, but He Himself remains unseen. God bestows spiritual powers to persons and are ever merciful.
अचेदी अपेदी अनामं अकामं समस्तो पराजी समस्तस्ततामं.
God is invulnerable, indestructible, nameless, and desireless. He is the winner of all and is present everywhere.
तेरा जोर चाचरी छंद जले हैं थले हैं अपीत हैं अपे हैं.
Tera Jor, Chachri Chand. God is present in water and land. He is fearless and His secrets cannot be known.
प्रभु हैं अजू हैं आदेश हैं अपेश हैं.
O God, You are the Master of all. You are immutable. You do not belong to any one country or have any particular attire.
भुजंग प्रियात छंद अगाधे अबाधे आनंदी स्वरूपे नमो सर्व माने समस्ति निधाने.
Bhujang Priyat Chand. God is unfathomable. No one can cause obstruction in His way, and You are never in bliss. All bow to You, and you are the treasure of everything.
Namastwang nirnate, namastwang pramathe, namastwang aganje, namastwang apanje.
We salute to God, who has no master and is destroyer of all. We salute to God, who is unconquerable and indestructible.
Namastwang akale, namastwang apale, namo sarvadese, namo sarvapese.
We salute to God, who is immortal and self-protected. We salute to God, who is present in all countries and who is present in all costumes.
Namo Raj Raje, namo Saj Saje, namo Saha Sahe, namo Maha Mahe.
We salute to God, who is King of all kings and is Creator of all. You are the ruler of all rulers and illuminator of moons.
Namo Gita Gite, namo Prita Prite, namo Rokhe Rokhe, namo Sokhe Sokhe.
We salute to God, who is supreme song, and to the supreme love. We salute to God, who is commander of the whole universe, and the destroyer who dries up all.
Namo Sarva Roge, namo Sarva Bhoge, namo Sarva Jitang, namo Sarva Pitang.
We salute to God, who is the cause of everyone's death, and to the enjoyer of all. We salute to God, who conquers all, and all are afraid of you.
Namo Sarva Jnanang, namo Parmatanang, namo Sarva Mantrang, namo Sarva Jantrang.
We salute to God, who has all knowledge, and who is the creator of the expanse of universe. We salute to God, whose name is biggest magic, and whose name is biggest charm.
Namo Sarva Drissang, namo Sarva Krisang, namo Sarva Range Tripangi Anange.
We salute to God, who is observer of all, and who attracts everyone. We salute to God, who is present in all colors, and who is the destroyer of all the three worlds.
Namo Jiva Jivang, namo Bija Bije, Akhijje Apijje Samastang Prasijje.
We salute to God, who is the life of all beings, and who is the primal seed. We salute to God, who always remains beyond suffering, beyond division, and gives blessing to all.
Kirpalang Sarupe Kukarmang Parnasi, Sada Sarvada Rid Siddhang Nivasi.
God is compassionate and destroyer of all sins. God is forever the source of spiritual and miraculous powers.